There you go.
Close
Put
enough.
his tail.
Close enough.
Tail.
Critter is.
You gonna put him back there?
Make you do it again.
Mhm.
Come here. All right.
Finny, watch out.
Finny, hold on.
We know you can crawl.
Finny, don't get in his face. Come here.
Finny. Finnegan,
Nice.
come here.
Finny. Finny.
You just kissed him.
Okay.
Come here. Let him crawl. Let him crawl. Let him crawl. Finnegan.
I'm gonna crawl like it.
No, let him crawl.
I'm crawling.
No. Let him crawl. Let him finish his work.
Good job, Reese.
Good job, Finny.
Can you do a high five?
Let's see if he can get set up.
Just why sit up? I got what I want. Finnegan. Easy.
What did I do?
That's what you usually do.
Page. It's okay.
Can I fix it?
I can try to fix it, yeah.
We smoke a fix it.
Mom's gonna fix it.
Watch out, Finny.
Watch out.
Come this way.
Here, Reese. Sit down. Can you sit? You can give me a high five? Can you remember high fives from this morning? Okay, can you do it?
Doesn't want to.
Come on, Reese. You give me a high five?